Hello, I'm Harriet from Chicken Homely, and today I'll be walking you through how to use an automatic washing machine. First of all, I'm going to walk you through the control panel. This is the on and off button. You can power on the washing machine and turn it off here. While this is the start and pause button. You can pause the washing machine mid-wash cycle with this button, and you can start it with this button. Then here is the process button, water level button, and program button. These buttons are for when you want to manually adjust the setting of the washing machine. Then you can use these buttons to do so. While these are the features it offers, we have soak, wash, rinse, and spin. While this is for the water level from level 1 to 8. While these are washing setting, normal to jeans, quick 15, delicate, heavy, eco, top dry. This is to clean the washing machine. Then we have air dry. I'm going to input their functions in the description bar, so do have to check it. So let's start. First of all, you plug the washing machine to an electric source and you open it, close it and turn it on. You press here. The automatic machine is going to do its job and put a setting. Can you see the setting it picked? It has weighed the clothes and it picked quick 5, quick 15, sorry, then the lowest water level, and these are the settings it picked: wash, rinse, and soak. I'm okay with this setting, so I'm just going to allow it to proceed. But if I was not okay with the setting, I can manually adjust it with these buttons. I'll show you how to do so. But first of all, let me add the soap. I forgot to add the soap before closing, so you can use this pause and start button. It has paused. So I'm just going to open it, pour in my soap, close it back, and that's it. Very easy. So let me show you how to manually set the washing machine. So I'm going to turn it off, start. So let's say I want to put it in this quick 15. I'm going to press this program. Can you see it's moving downwards? I hope you can see clearly. Okay. Then this is to adjust the water level. Go to water level. I'm okay with it. Then I'm okay with this setting as well. So I'm going to press start. That's it. Very easy. So the washing machine is going to wash the clothes, rinse them, and spin. So all you have to do is come and get your spin clothes. You can either air dry or sun dry them. It won't take long to dry because the washing machine has already spinned lots of water from it. The clothes are about 90 to 95% dried already. This brand is from Scanfrost, and I have been using Scanfrost washing machine for over 2, 3, 4 years now. I've used their manual machine for about 3 years, and I've used their automatic machine for about 2, 3 years, and I really do not have any problem with the Scanfrost brand. So if you're looking to get a new washing machine, you can invest in Scanfrost brand. Although this washing machine does not have an inbuilt soap dispenser, unlike some other models that have an inbuilt soap dispenser where I just put in the soap and it's going to dispense into the washing machine. So you have to directly pour your soap into this one. And let's say you forgot to add one piece of clothing while washing, you pause, open, put it in, close it back, and press start. So that's it, as simple as you can get. When it's done washing, rinsing, and spinning, it's going to alert you by making a noise and you can come get your clothes. So that's it. If you have any question, any comments, or anything whatsoever, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bar so when I post new videos, you'll be notified. Like this video and also leave a comment. Share it to someone who needs this tutorial on how to use an automatic washing machine. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.